So good morning everybody, welcome back to one more video of my channel Rishika Banerjee. And in this channel I make videos relating to the syllabus of class 9 and 10 students. For the past few days I have made videos of biology of the chapter cell, genetics. These two chapters I have completed the important concepts like monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, okay. And also I have discussed the syllabus with you people. This video I will be starting the chapter called force. Okay, now see, force is a very important chapter of physics, and I thought of starting physics with force because it's very interesting, a chapter in which you can relate to the real life examples. So I have decided to start with force. Understand? Now before anything, this channel I have made keeping in mind that everything will be starting from the very base. Clear? So very clear definition. If you haven't studied before, then also very clear, starting from the base point we will start about what is a force. This video will be completely video where you will understand the basic definition of what is force. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so basically we will be starting with what is a force. The chapter is about force. See, the term force we are all quite accustomed with. What is the force? Force means what? Something which we are giving some pressure. Okay, so basically what is a force we have to understand. A force is a physical quantity. Okay, if it is by bookish definition, it is a physical quantity which changes or tends to change the state of rest or the state of motion or the shape or the size of the body. How? By applying any external force to it. Any external force we are applying. Understand? This is the definition of force in what is written in your books and what is important for your point of view of your exam also. Okay, so first let's write that and I will explain to you. What is the force? Of physical quantity, okay? Of physical quantity which changes or tends to change the state of motion. Is it visible properly? Yeah, it's state of motion or state of rest or shape or dimension of an object by an external force. By an external applied force. This is a basic definition of force. Okay, here what are the important key points? Key point is it's a physical quantity. Okay, what will be changing the state of rest or the state of motion or the shape, dimension, okay, when an external force is applied on it. Understand? Now understand what is a force. Okay, basic definition is written. This is the definition which is there in your book. This is important. Now understanding this is more important because you can write this in your own words. I have also written this in my own words. I have not seen any book. Okay, understand. Okay, suppose this pen will be lying here. Okay, see, this is a board and this is a pen. Okay, this pen will be kept here. Okay, constantly. See, this is a rolling surface. Let's take the help of this. Suppose this is a phone. Clear. This is a phone and this is a pen. You will see that this pen is kept here. Okay, it will not move for 100 and 1000 of years. But this can move. This pen can move. How you know? If I apply a force to this pen, pen will move like this. If I apply a force to this pen, see my hand, I am applying a small force. See, this is moving. Again force moving. Again force moving. Okay, so here we can understand this, that to make anything move, see this pen was at rest, right? This pen is at rest, see. Is it moving? No. This pen is at rest. It will not move. So this is only written, which changes to tens the state of rest. See, it is at rest. It is not moving. Okay. But only if I apply any force, then only it will change. See, change the state of rest. Understood this? State of motion. Suppose I am cycling. Okay. Suppose I am cycling. Understand this? So you have to remember this. Suppose we are cycling, and if you do not give any external force to the pedal of your cycle, it will be moving at the same speed. Okay, same speed and same dimension. Sorry, same speed and same direction. Until and unless an external force is applied on it. Clear? See, suppose I say this is a floor. Okay, and this is something which is kept. Okay, any object I can talk about, any object. Now see, I want this, see this object will be like this. This object will be like this for hundreds and hundred of years if any external force is not applied on it. Okay, now suppose I am applying a force to it. Okay, I am applying a force. Okay, I am applying a force. What will happen? This object will be moving now. Again I applied a force. Again this object will move. Understand? So what is the force? Force means what? When an external force is applied on it, it will start to move. This is force. An object at rest will be at rest unless an external force is applied on it. Understood the sentence? Very important. An object will be at rest until and unless an external force is applied on it. See, an external force is applied on it, see, it will start moving and it will go on moving, Clear? One more, see. Suppose a person in cycle, okay, suppose a person in a cycle, understand? He will continue to move with the same speed and same direction. Okay, he will continue to move. But if I apply a force to this, okay, then it can either move in this direction or will move in this direction or will be moved, and the speed will also change. The speed will increase in that case. Clear? So a body will move. Our body will keep on the state of motion in the same speed and in the same direction until and unless an external force is applied on it. Is it clear to you people? This is what is a force. If somebody says, you can explain it. Thousands of examples are there. I have taken one example. You can give any example. Okay. So this is what is basically a force. So the concept of force. What is a force? Okay. So I am ending this video here. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and in the next part we will be talking about the force, like what is a contact force, what is a non-contact force, what is the SI unit of force, or what is the CGS unit of force. That we will be talking about in the next part. So thank you so much. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you.